In June, HTC unveiled the Desire 20 Pro and its first 5G phone named HTC U25G in Taiwan. The Desire 20 Pro was made official in Europe in August this year. Today, the Taiwanese firm announced a new handset called the HTC Desire 20 Plus in the home market. The handset offers key specs like Snapdragon 720G, 48-megapixel quad cameras, and a 5,000 mAh battery. HTC Desire 20 Plus specifications. The HTC Desire 20 Plus weighs 203 grams and it measures 164.9 by 75.7 by 9 millimeters. The phone houses a 6.5-inch IPS LCD screen that produces an HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The Snapdragon 720G mobile platform is present at the helm of the device along with 6 GB of RAM. It has an internal storage of 128 GB and a microSD card slot for additional storage. The Desire 20 Plus has a front-facing camera of 16 megapixel with an f/2.0 aperture that supports HDR and Full HD video recording. It has an impressive textured rear and a unique camera housing. The camera module includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f/1.8 aperture, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens with 115-degree field of view, a 2-megapixel macro lens with 40 cm focal length, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The quad cameras are coupled with features like dual LED flash, HDR, AI scene detection, time-lapse photography, and 4K video shooting. A fingerprint scanner can be also found on the backside of the phone. The Android 10 OS comes pre-installed on the HTC Desire 20 Plus. It is backed by a 5,000 mAh battery that is enabled with Quick Charge 4.0 rapid charging technology. It comes with other features like dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 802.11 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, USB-C, and a 3.5mm audio jack. HTC Desire 20 Plus pricing and availability. The HTC Desire 20 Plus is priced at 8,490 Taiwan dollars, $295, in Taiwan. Dawn Orange and Twilight Black are its two color editions. There is no word on which other markets will be receiving the Desire 20 Plus, so friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.